Hey, what's up? It's me, Yuli, midterm 2 video. Let's do this. So 1B, we're trying to find that our battery packs last at least 65,000 miles or less. To begin with, we got a standard deviation of 25,000 miles and a mean of 200,000. So basically, I did a probability of 65,000 minus 200,000 over 25,000. And that gives us a z less than negative 5.4. And according to our z table in the back of the book, table 3, we get 0.0013. Part C, it's asking that our battery packs last for 108,000 miles at least. So it's pretty much similar to part B. I did P of X less than 180,000. So 108,000 miles minus 200,000 divided by 25,000, we get negative 0.8. And according to our z-score, we get 0.2119. For part D, it asks us if we want that 95% of all battery packs to last longer than you advertise, what figure should we be advertising? So we're trying to find that 95%. So pretty much I did X minus 200,000 divided by 25,000 is equal to 0.05, which is 0.95, 1 minus 0.95. And our z-score for that gives us negative 1.64, according to our book. So I equal that to our function, x minus 200,000 over 25,000 equals to negative 1.64. You multiply both sides by 25,000, and 25,000 cancels out. And here at the bottom, you get negative 1.64 times 25,000. You move the 200,000 over, and our final answer is 159,000 miles. Moving on, I decided to do part number 5, question 5, which is kind of easy. This one gave us our sample of 1,000, our X bar of 385, and it asked us to find our estimated population proportion with 90% confidence. And that 90% confidence is 1.645 according to our book. And our p hat is x over n, which is 385 over 1,000, which is 0.385. And this gives us our formula. This is all we need for a formula, which gives us 0.385 plus or minus 1.645 times the square root of 0.35 times 1 minus 0.35 over 1,000. Now inside the square root, we get 0.23675 over 1,000, which gives us the square root of that is 0.015. So then we get 0.35 plus or minus 1.645 times 0.015. And our final answer should be 0.36 and 0.41. Moving on to question 6, which was a pain. It asks us to set up the hypotheses that we're going to test. And I got H null, P equals 0.36. H1, P is less than 0.36. And we have to calculate the probabilities of type 1 and type 2 errors for our alphas and our betas. But I was a little confused. So I assume it's the same question asked twice. So I got our 30% minus our 36% over the square root of 0.36, 1 minus 0.36 over 81, which gives us negative 0.06 over 0.0533 equals, which is our z, which gives us our negative 1.125. And in our book, it gives us 0.131. And that is midterm 2. Thank you. That's B and C right here. That's part A for 6.